Hey, how's it going? Roy Castillo here with iWireless Point of Sale. Excited to be here one more time where I'm going to be showing you how you're going to set your company links over on the store portal. And to get started, what we're going to do is click here under Product Management. So let's go ahead and select it. And you're going to see over on top that you'll have your audits, your transfers, your links, your airtimes, your carriers, your services, and your RMAs. We're going to hop over to links, click on it, and by default, first thing you're going to see is the description of a portal of a company link that is set as an example, guys. So if you aren't working with this particular carrier, just go ahead and delete it. If not, just leave it like it is. And click right above on the new link, on the new button. Let's go ahead and select new. And we are going to type in the title for our new company link. And you're simply going to copy the URL address to any website that you want to have quick access to within the POS. So once you went ahead and copied and pasted over on this side, the URL, you want to give it a category description. So this could be an airtime payment platform, a port in activation eligibility portal, activation eligibility portal, an upgrade eligibility portal, carrier portal, an external link, or you could just categorize it as other. In rare cases that the website has certificates that won't allow you to open within our POS. So once you've selected the platform or the category that you just made the link for, you want to click on Save right below. And once you do that, guys, you're going to have full access to this particular website over on your store portal. Now, let me show you how it's going to work. Once you or your employees have logged into the store portal and you've created the company links to the admin, which you only have access to, you're going to see them here right below company links. So anytime you don't want to have 20, 10, 15 tabs open on your screen, you just want to click here and you'll be automatically taken to the website or portal that you've selected, giving you a better workflow and faster access, guys. This is going to definitely give you a more organized and better looking image on your screen. Instead of having many tabs open and not knowing where anything's at. And you can literally add any link that you want to have quick access to help you guys keep organized. So like I've said, you guys can go ahead and register any URL address. And that will be pretty much it, guys. Once again, if you do have any questions on this matter, go ahead and type in the chat. Tell us, hey, I need help. And we'll go ahead and assist you within a minute. Either myself or one of my colleagues are going to be more than happy to help you guys out and get you guys on the way. One more time, my name is Roy Castillo. I'm with iWireless Point of Sale. You guys do make it a great day, and we'll definitely be in touch. Goodbye.